Hi Pritikin peeps, my name is Ashley. I'm one of the exercise physiologists at Pritikin Longevity Center in Doral, Florida. Welcome to my home. Today we're going to be doing a balance and stability workshop right here in my home. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, that you're washing your hands, and that you are staying home. So let's go through these exercises. You guys ready? All you need is a chair. Alright, so you can grab one of the chairs from your dining room and position it where you can hold onto it so that you're not going to fall. Alright, you also want to make sure that your area is clear of anything that you could potentially fall on. And it's also a good idea to have someone home with you so you're not by yourself at home, like your spouse or a sibling or a loved one. Just not more than 10 people. Alright, so we're going to start today with some calf raises. Let's warm up the legs. Toes pointed forwards. Alright, you can place your hand on your hip, hold on to that chair. Let's come up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to 10. 2 more. Last one. Good. Open up those feet just slightly. Another 10. Bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last set. Turn your toes slightly in. 10 more. Let's go. Bring it up. 1. Hold on to that chair if you need to. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Shake it out. So remember, throughout this whole class, you want to have your pelvic tilt engaged, your shoulders back and down, and also your head up. Okay, so try not to make your head go down. If you need to look down at your feet, you can look down, but try not to let your head come down. Alright, so now we're going to do some modified leg lifts. Alright, so you can hold onto your chair, stabilize yourself on your stability leg, on that left leg. Bring that right leg up and up to the front for 1, 2, 3, control the leg, don't just swing it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, go ahead and face your chair. Remember your posture, the neck is in line with the spine. Bring your leg out to the side for 1, straighten out to the side. 2, 3, keep that leg straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now to the back. Remain with that proper posture and then extend the leg back. 2, squeeze your glutes. 3, 4, 5, 6, keep breathing. 7, core is tight. 8, 9, and 10. Good, and relax it down. Shake it out if you need to. We're gonna do some knee up and outs. So now you're gonna, same leg, bring that right leg up with the knee bent. Bring it out to the side and lower it down. So we're controlling the leg here. We're keeping it up, so you're isolating and then bringing it out. So up, out, and down. That's 1. Up, out, down. That's 2. Up, out, down. 3. Keep that leg up. 4, 5. Keep breathing. 6, 7. Aren't you having fun? 8, 9. One more. And 10. Good. Shake it out. All right, let's do the other side. Bring that chair to the other side of you. And we're going to start with leg lifts to the front. So the stability leg now is the right leg. Keep that left leg extended and bring it up for 1. Control that leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, shoulders back, 8, 9, 10, good, to the side, keep that leg straight, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can also hold that chair, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Leg to the back, keep that core tight, ready? Leg back, extended, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep that chest up, 8, 9, and 10, good, shake it out. What's next? Knee ups, ready? Same leg, left leg up, so the right leg is your stability leg. Hold on to that chair, bring that left knee up, out, down. Good, again, up, out, down. That was 2, up, out, down. 3, 4, 5, 5 more. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, keep the knee up, last one, and down. Good, and shake it out. All right, next we're gonna do something called the running man. So you're gonna stand in a split stance, right leg forward, left leg back, hold on to that chair. Keep your neck in line with your spine, and remember your pelvic tilt, okay? So what you're gonna do is bring that back knee up, and then go back into that lunge stance. Let's do it again. Knee up, and back. Up, and back. 4, 5, keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And release. If you have any knee pain, just don't go very deep into that lunge. Okay, let's switch sides. Left leg forward, right leg back. Same thing, let's bring that back knee up. For 1, hold that chair. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Shake it out. All right, we're gonna do something fun now. It's called the clock. So you can grab your chair again. Pretend there is a clock around you. So in front of you is 12 o'clock, behind you is 6 o'clock. To the right of you is 3, to the left is 9. So I want you to hold your chair, and when I tell you a time, you can point your toe to that time. All right, so if I say 12, you're pointing forward, 3, to the side, 6, to the back, and 9, you can cross in the front or the back. If that's too intense, you can tap your toe down. So you don't have to lift it, you can tap it to that time. Okay, we'll go nice and slow at first, and then we'll pick it up after that. Make sure you hold on. 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 1300, 7 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and relax it down. Good job, team. Let's switch sides. All right, we have our imaginary clock around us again. The stabilization leg is the right leg now. So left leg extended to 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, it's backwards now, and 6 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 2 o'clock, think about it, 5 o'clock, 11 o'clock again, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and down. Good job, team. As you progress with this exercise, you could do it potentially without a chair, but don't ever do that until you feel you're ready for the next stage. Okay? So, how's everyone feeling so far? You're enjoying this balance and stability class? I hope so. Next what we're going to do is something called walk the line. Okay? You're going to hold your chair if you need to. And I want you to walk one foot in front of the other. Heel to toe, and then toe to heel. Take your time with this one. Hopefully it doesn't bring back any memories. Heel to toe, and toe to heel. Remember, keep that head up. Keep that proper posture, neck in line with the spine. Good. It's kind of like the retro walking from the weights class that we have. Let's do one more time forward. And one more time back. Elongate that spine. And release. Great job, team. Let's do some sit to stands. Grab that chair. You're going to have a seat. Feet about shoulder width apart. We're going to do about 10 of these. You want to be careful that you don't have a chair that has wheels. I hope you don't anyway. And also don't plop down in the chair where you're going to move the chair back. Make sure it's a slow and controlled movement. All right, so feet shoulder width apart. Go ahead and stand and sit. That's it. Stand and sit. That's 2. Make sure your feet are a little wider than shoulder width. That's 4. 5. Let's do 5 more. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Good. Shake it out. Good job, team. All right, we're gonna do some ankle rolls. So what you can do is grab behind your right thigh, just in the crease of your knee, and then you're gonna rotate that ankle. So rotate it in one direction. If it doesn't move much, that's okay. Just get as much range of motion as you can. Let's go in the other direction. Engage that core, shoulders are relaxing down. Go ahead and straighten that leg and point and flex the foot. Keep breathing, hold that leg up. Good, last one. Curl those toes back towards your shin and you're gonna go side to side like a windshield wiper. Relax it down. To the other side. Put your hands behind your left knee. Rotate that ankle. Try to get a good rotation. Do what you can. Listen to your body. Other direction. Good. Straighten the leg. Right flex. Keep that leg up. Good. Bring those toes back towards your shin and go side to side. Good, side to side. Good, and relax it down. Let's do a couple of stretches while we're sitting nice and cozy. Bring those feet together, hands on your legs. You're going to bring that left hand and put it on the outside of your right thigh, and And then you're going to try to twist to look back over your right shoulder. So spinal twist in the chair. And release into the other side. Hands on your thighs, bring your right hand on your left thigh, and then look over that back left shoulder. Good, and release. For the next exercise, we're going to practice balancing while sitting. So first what I'd like you to do is extend your arms out in front of you. And I'll turn to the side so you can see this a little better. And you're going to bring one knee up and hold it there. Engage that core. Just breathe here. Good, and switch legs. Bring that left leg up. And release, switch. And release, switch legs. One more time on each side. Release, switch. Last side, bring it up. And down and relax. Really good job, team. All right, so we're pretty much all done with this workout today. You can do this routine 2 times through, and that should be about a 30-minute workout. If you have any questions, please let us know. Again, this is Ashley. I hope you're all staying safe. We miss you, and God bless you. Bye.